today we announced that we will donate 19 F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. Together with the Netherlands, we are the first country to make a solid and concrete commitment to donate Western fighter jets. And hopefully others will follow now.
And of course we are looking into whether we can supply all the remaining planes or that still stuff has to be done to update them, or maybe it is not possible. So the exact number I cannot give you, but we are working from the fact that at this moment we still have 42 in stock here in the country.
I can't tell you very concrete number of our Ukrainian pilots because I don't want to prepare Russia to this surprise which we will prepare them.